Quick reading for January the 9th to January the 10th, Capricorn. Parang you're hanging by a thread. Parang feeling mo, paubos na ba to? Patapos na ba itong relationship na ito? Parang nandun ka na rin sa part na, okay, I'm embracing it, inaantay ko na lang yung time. But then again, magkakaroon ng U-turn. Bigla mong sasabihin, sandali. Um, this is something that I'm not expecting. But also, I am crossing my fingers na sana mangyari yon. Ano ba ito? Something that you're expecting somehow is, dako, parang magkakaroon yata kami na, magko-cool off yata kami, magkakaroon yata kami ng separation, and then all of a sudden, it's in a good way naman, na biglang si person magta-take ng action, biglang si person biglang sasabihin na, sandali, wag na nating ituloy, eto ba yung gusto mong mangyari, gagawin ko lahat ito para sa'yo, no? So we have the Ten of Wands, Six of Swords, and the Sun. Para kasing in the past weeks or months, medyo burdensome itong relationship ninyo. Tapos parang sinabi mo dito, sige na lang, inaantay ko na lang kung kailan na lang ito mawawala, inaantay ko na lang kung kailan ito maglalaho, no? So I am not taking action, pero parang nakasakay lang ako sa isang bangka na bahala na kung saan ako dadalhin. So, hindi mo inaasahan na sa journey pa lang ito, no, sa bangkang sinasakyan mo, biglang kakalma, no? Itong agos ng tubig. So this is your quick reading for January the 9th to January the 10th, Capricorn.
Predicting future is